Hey everybody, it's Stephen Baxley here with Airworx Unmanned Solutions. Today we want to do a product highlight on one of our most common and most requested kits that we have available right now. This is our, we have two different things. So we have a Airworx Go Command Tactical RD kit. We also have a Airworx Go Command Public Safety kit. So the Tactical RD kit, or Rapid Deployment Kit, is one that we've integrated a 15-inch monitor into, which is what we're going to show you here today. This is a DJI Mavic Mini, and this is great for tactical situations for SWAT officers, any type of quick rapid deployment into a interior type setting, or of course you can use it outside as well for perching type scenarios. So inside this case, real quickly, we've got the Mavic Mini. We have this available with the to store with the prop guards on for the rapid deployment. We have a 39,000 milliamp portable battery here that will sustain this case and the monitor behind the foam for about 8 to 10 hours. We have a place for your remote control. We have an extra pocket here. This particular kit's going out to a customer, and it's going to have 6 total batteries and 2 of the battery charging hubs, and we can also accommodate up to 2 more of those here. So real quickly, we're going to show you the best part of this. It's behind us. So this is a 15-inch ultra-thin LED monitor. We have a HDMI switch here. That's way if you want to use this with more products that may have a tethered type situation for an HDMI, you can plug that in here. Otherwise, we have a screen mirroring, screencasting device plugged in. This is the antenna for that. So real quickly, we're going to pull this out, quickly plug in to get power to our monitor and to our screencaster. We've got our camera on, and as you can see, we have video vision there. So let's just stick this right back in here for just a second. But anyway, you've got a 15-inch monitor. We've got this where it's quick detach, so this can come out. It has volume built into it, so this is actually could be used as a legitimate type TV. So it's got some small speakers built into there. But this works great for a quick rapid deployment of this product to make a command type situation with any of our smaller kits. So again, we've got this customized for the Mavic Mini. We also have it customized. This particular one's customized currently with the Parrot Anafi thermal. We will have one for the Parrot Anafi USA. We've got to wait till that USA launches so we can do some final fit and measurement on that aircraft, because it's going to be a little bit bigger than the Anafi thermal, the original, the OG version, if you will. And then we also have the kit if you do not want to have the monitor and all of this extra stuff in it. If you just want the foam fitment, we can do that with the Mavic Mini. But this particular kit, everybody wants to know, this is the most popular one. This is $14.99. This will get you the Mavic Mini kit with 1 set of batteries or 3 batteries, the monitor and all these things. Of course, the iPhone's not included with it. If you would like upgrades such as the tactical lights, we can include tactical lighting, which will be the lighting on the bottom and one on the front. And we can also include additional battery sets and all that. So if you have any questions about the Tactical Mini kit, the Go Command RD kit, or the Public Safety kit, reach out and let us know, sales@airworxdrone.com, or you can text us, call us anytime, 864-898-9444.